Hi there, I'm Claes Norin from JoomlaPro.com, and in this video I'm going to show you VMuikit 5 that we just released. Let's check it out. So for you guys that don't know what VMuikit is, it's a bridge or override for VirtueMart and YOOtheme. So YOOtheme, they have their own framework called UIKit. All the new templates that YOOtheme release is built on the YOOtheme Pro, the new beautiful builder that you can use to create really nice. And our latest VMuikit 5 integrates with this builder. Not only is everything built on UIKit 3, so when you browse the categories and the product details page in your VirtueMart setup, everything will look perfect and seamless together with your template. But we've also took this a step further with a child theme. You can check our installation process, how to initiate and start to use that. But we have special elements that is in the builder. So one element we have is add to cart. So you can, in the builder, you can build up your layout and your different elements and look at things, and then you can drag in and put in VirtueMart specific stuff, like a product, you can do a grid with categories or products. You can do add to cart. We have four different elements that you can very easily. I will show you that now because it's hard to explain like this. Let's just dig in and see how it works, okay? Okay, so here is one of the quick start directly from YOOtheme Pro. You can see that this is one of the gym templates that they've released not so long ago. Beautiful layout and design example from YOOtheme again. And in this I have installed VMuikit 5, and I've set up a very quick and simple VirtueMart shop here. There's only 9 products in 3 different categories here. So you have the clothes, and you have an example of how some products could be here. You know, it's really just the basic stuff, and the cart and everything, you know, looks just like before. If you're familiar with VMuikit older versions, you'll see we done a few tweaks here and there, but everything is here. It's all built on the UIKit 3, so everything melts together with your current settings in the theme and everything. So it looks very nice as a unison look between VirtueMart and your template. But we've taken this a step further, as I mentioned before in the introduction here, and what we have done is that we have built in VMuikit inside of the builder, the YOOtheme builder. And I will demonstrate this for you now. I will take just an example page like this one here. Great layout created by the guys at YOOtheme. I will add an extra section here. Let's put it in top just to have something here. I will make it 2 halves, so I have 2 halves to work with. I will display the grid, and in this left column I will add an image. This could be a product image, you know, anything, a pair of shoes, whatever, one of your products. And then I will add a headline for the product title, short description of the product like this. And then what we have added is, you will see here that there's 5 new things you can add in the among the elements, the default elements from YOOtheme Pro. So one very powerful is this one, add to cart. With that selected, I can pick one of my, this is all of the products that I have in my VirtueMart shop. And you see, when I picked one, directly I get to add to cart, and I can align it. I can even change the layout a little bit. I can make it larger, and you see, here you go. And this is just a normal add to cart from VirtueMart. You will recognize it. So here is a very simple way to create. And then you can copy this and say you want to just change the layout, and so I can change this then to a different product. I will pick another one here and go back, and here we go. I've created something that could be a great layout for a campaign page or something like that. So it's a very interesting way to work with the builder and VirtueMart in one. Another example here, I will show you the product grid. It's a simple yet powerful function where I can then add just like an image gallery really in the default YOOtheme Pro. I will add 3 products to a grid here. They all show in one row now, so I will change so they show 3 on a desktop. I can choose 3 on a tablet and a 2 column in a mobile. So I have an option to set the different layout. And here you go. And I can also change, I can add the SKU and the description. So I can add the different things from VirtueMart and create a grid like this. Very effective. And I can do the same thing for categories as well. So here you have a category grid. You can also display one product if you want with the image and everything and put that into the design somewhere. Very effective way. But this is not enough. This could have been enough, but it's not enough. We've taken it even one step further. And to demonstrate that, we can scroll down to this, because this gives a very good gives a very good example of how to take this even further. And you can have an image like this with products. You have some shoes, you have some pants and a top, and you can actually add add to cart to a specific product anywhere inside this builder. And to demonstrate this, I will find the shoes here, and it's ankle and foot there. It's this one. So I could, let's just for this demonstration purpose, I will change Nike shoes. I will write here, so that the topic, the title is Nike shoes, and then in the text here I've prepared a little shortcode. With this specific shortcode, VMuikit add to cart, and then the ID of the product in VirtueMart. The ID, all of the products you have an ID. So I know that the shoes in this one has ID number 2, and I can just paste this inside here, and voila, you have an add to cart inside the popover element. And this one works just like any add to cart, VirtueMart add to cart. So you could tag up this image and have the different products directly on there. And you even have a few parameters like this. You can actually adjust and change. I know even one more here with one, that's UIKit for full column. And let's have a look at this. I have the style danger. I can change the text to buy Nike shoes, and I set the width to full so that it fills. And look at that, a big red button with a 100% width, and yeah, this is a very, very powerful thing to use. And not only for the popover, this is great. This is a very nice demonstration of where it can be used, but it could also be used in any kind of you can add it in a text field or anything of the different elements where you can add a text inside of the YOOtheme elements that you have there. You can add a switcher. You could do anything here where you can add a piece of text. You can add an add to cart button to a specific VirtueMart product and have a very, very beautiful web shop with a very special kind of layout for your products and everything. So there you have it. That's the new main feature of VMuikit 5 that we're really proud of. Other than that, we've also cleaned up the interface. We removed a lot of stuff that is not needed there. We had some search engine optimization functions and all of that. Those worked very well, but we will integrate them into a specific SEO plugin in the future. So what we've done with VMuikit 5 and VMuikit 4 is that we have stripped away everything unnecessary and focused and made the components do what they should do only. So that's cool. Check the other videos here, check the installation, how you get these elements working in your YOOtheme Pro theme. Check the other videos and you will see VMuikit 5 is a really awesome product. Bye.